What's going on mga bossing ko dyan? So, welcome back to Boy Bukas Toy Box. This time we're going to unbox another cool figure from Bandai, Presto. At this time, one of the famous anime of our time is the Demon Slayer or the Kimetsu no Yaiba. And this is Sanemi Shinazugawa. I think, yeah. So, I hope I say it correct. At ito ang kanyang sepia color version. Look at that. That was really cool. So, I think I'm gonna start from this and then we're going up to other Demon Slayer characters. So, let's go mga bossing. Let's unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, here we go, my bossing. We got another cool toys to unbox here. So this one, we're going to start the Demon Slayer unboxing with Sanemi Shinazugawa in sepia color. So this one have like a two variation of colors. I believe this is like a series of sepia color by Presto. So all the characters will be in a color like this, almost all the same color, like a greenish and grayish brown. So but the actual color of Tsunami is black and white. So this is like black and this is white. So this one is really a cool addition to your collection to make it something really different if you already have other colors or the real colors of the characters, right? So I can say this is really great to add to your collection. So what are we waiting for? Siyempre, it's Karambit time. Here you go. Damn. Ooh, it's really tape a lot. Okay, Press official Instagram and WeChat. So if you want to follow them, just go to that link and the official Facebook page. So another cardboard like ribs or support. So you want to break the backs. Okay. Hey, oh, here's why we got the head and the full body and this. Oh, I'm glad they put like a support on the sword so it won't easily break it, right? And let's take it out from the box. Okay, so yeah, gaganda rin talaga ng nagawa ng Presto eh. And they really make it, inexpensive toys to collect. So if you really have like just to want to display it, right? So maganda siya pan-display talaga. So because yung pose niya talagang okay na. Okay, so but we start from the head. So there you go. Look at that. It's usually the material is like a rubberized plastic. So let's see. Okay, so you cannot take it out. But look at that. Nice sculptor. Right? and always how they do the hairstyle. Okay. Yeah, okay, why not go back on the stand? Yan siya. So nothing special here. Okay. So there's no like a year when they produce these toys. But let's see on the box. They say it's a I don't see any also. Let's say outside Japan only. So this is an imported one. Okay, but say 2021 it was manufacturing date. That's good enough. And for the body, here we go. Oh, I think we still need to cut it more. And look at that. Nice. So let's take it out this. Okay. Just be careful. Most likely there's a reason why they putting cardboard here. Okay. There you go, but still look at that, what happened to that sword. Okay. It's already bent, so let's do this. Okay, so look at that. Look at those details, and even for the sword and the color. I think I like this sepia color version nila. Right? Parang maganda pagkakagawa eh. Parang ganda ng ganitong kulay. Like in real life than the picture. Nice. I like it. Yeah. Okay, so yun na yung peg niya. And of course the sword. Okay, so I'm sure you guys can't wait for the third season. So this is perfect. So let's put on the head. Yeah, I think it's perfect to start my collection of Demon Slayer. Oops, kind of hard to put it on. There you go. Oh, look at that. Of course, I like to have the Suko. Part of my collection. And this one. Put it on the stand. Okay, a little bit tight. Maybe it's the wrong one. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, there you go. Maybe, yeah. The sword still to warm it, I guess, so to make it straight again. Okay, look at that, mga bossing. That's really cool. I like the color version of this one, the sepia color. Look at that. Nice sculpt, nice details. Overall, it's really cool. I really like the sculpture of this one. Look at those details. It's really cool, mga bossing. Ganda na pagkakagawa nito. Talagang solid. Right? Talagang yung action at ano niya eh. Talagang yung forma niya, astig na astig. Ganda. Sulit na sulit tayo dito, mga bossing. So, there you go, mga bossing. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom!